This is an IP67 rated waterproof power supply, so this can also be mounted outside and it can be in the rain, in the snow, and it's going to be totally okay. With the version 1.6 kits, the power supply is rated for 150 watts of output, and that's at 24 volts DC. So the maximum amperage that it can output is 6.25 amps. The input source is compatible with both 110 and 220 voltage. So you can use an adapter to go from the standard US outlet to, say, a European outlet. In the hardware kit, you'll also find a power cord protector if you're going to be plugging this power supply into an extension cord, and that helps further waterproof that connection. On the output side, we have a power supply cable that plugs into the power supply with this waterproof screw-together connector. And this cable will be different length based on if this is a Genesis or Genesis XL kit.